Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we've had quite a new Adria Twin Supreme 640, I think it is, and it's coming for our usual super famous Ducato steps that we do. So this, again, we've done loads of videos for these, but this just allows the driver or passenger to get in and out of the vehicle with ease, because it's quite a big jump from the floor up to the first step. So this reduces that by around about 50%, and it means that you can get in and out of the vehicle without having to worry about causing an injury to yourself. So front side steps fitted on both sides, and again they are Fiat Ducato specific. Also in here, this customer has asked us to fit an additional 240 volt 3-pin socket, which you'll see above now, and that means that when he is plugged into the campsite, down on the lower base here, which is right in front of where people would normally sit, but a really nice sort of accessible area, he can plug in an extension lead or something similar. So that's a 240 3-pin, but we've gone for a really nice gunmetal grey C-line socket with a little cap on the back to protect for the 240 volts, and that's been wired up into the main consumer board. So all fused, all protected, done and dusted, along with our steps. So nice short video for you, again just to show you how popular these are, and the fact that we do extras from 12 volt sockets, USBs and 240 volt 3-pin sockets into this 72 plate Adria Twin Supreme. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family, get in touch with us. The website is www.motorhomeretrofits.co.uk, and thanks for watching.